Hi guys, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video we are going to be talking about how to fix Telegram bot not working. So if your Telegram bot is not working, this video is going to be helpful to you. So the first thing you have to do if your Telegram bot is not working is this: go out from your Telegram, go to your settings and privacy. On your settings and privacy, okay, let me go back. Okay, so on your settings and privacy, click on app. Then the next thing you have to do is to search for Telegram. Okay, you can just use the search button and search for Telegram for easy access. Type in Telegram. Okay, so you just tap on Telegram. Now the next thing you have to do is to go to storage. So on storage you have to clear your cache. Make sure you clear your cache. Then after clearing your cache, you just have to restart your phone so that it will be able to boot your Telegram account. But if it does not work, I'll advise you that the next thing you have to do is this: you just have to go out from your settings, press steadily on your Telegram. So when you press steadily on your Telegram, you are going to see the option of uninstall. So what you have to do is to uninstall your Telegram and reinstall it again to your device. So that way the Telegram bot will work very well, in case after clearing your cache it did not work. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to give me a thumbs up. It will be very helpful to this video. Thanks for watching.